Take a big breath for me, Lise. Nope. Good. Let's go again. Big breath. One more time. Good.
Her sacrum is what attaches there, and the sacrum goes down like this, and then it goes right down there onto the base of her tailbone. And just let me have your hip right there. Just like that. That a girl. A little bit. I'm going to have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect. Now, I'm going to have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect. Now, I'm going to have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect.
Okay, we're going to start at the top, Dre. So big breath in and out. Good job again.
Donc, et je vais déroter et je vais tomber sur la vertèbre.
L1 there, and now we're going to get down to his lower thoracic. So I'm going to open these joints up a little bit. There we go. That's about T10, T7-8, T5-6, and up here's T3-4, and I'm going to get a little higher and see if I can get T1, T2 here too.
Wait, do you want it like right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where else?
Like lower.
Right here?
Yeah, I think so.
No.
That was Ew.